Welcome to our channel. If you want to set up direct deposit for DMV-related refunds or payments, follow these step-by-step instructions to complete the process. Step 1. Visit your state's Department of Motor Vehicles website and log into your DMV account or create one if you do not already have an account. Step 2. Navigate to the Refunds or Payments section to find options for direct deposit setup. Step 3. Look for a link or button labeled Set up Direct Deposit or Manage Payment Methods. Step 4. Click on the link and prepare your bank account information, including your routing number and account number. Step 5. Enter your bank account details carefully, ensuring that all numbers are correct to avoid payment delays. Step 6. Select the type of account, either checking or savings, that you want to use for direct deposits. Step 7. Submit the form and wait for a confirmation message indicating that your direct deposit information has been saved. Step 8. Some DMV offices may require you to submit a voided check or bank letter to verify your account. Follow any additional instructions provided. Step 9. Check your email or DMV account for confirmation that direct deposit has been successfully activated. Step 10. Monitor your bank account for any future DMV refunds or payments to ensure direct deposit is working correctly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.